Ensana Hotels is quickly gaining attention, but before you make any decision about booking or investing, there are some things you need to know. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 crucial points you should consider before committing to Ensana Hotels, comparing it to other options on the market, and giving you some insider tips to help you get the best deal. So, stick around till the end, as I'll share how you can try Ensana Hotels for free and get exclusive benefits. Next thing you need to know is Ensana's unique positioning in the wellness hotel market. Unlike standard hotels or resorts, Ensana Hotels focuses heavily on health, spa, and wellness services. This brand has specialized in providing therapeutic treatments, particularly hydrotherapy and other natural healing practices, in a luxurious setting. Their spa facilities are state-of-the-art, with a range of services like thermal baths, massages, and detox programs. If you're seeking a holistic retreat experience, Ensana has some competitive advantages over typical hotel chains, which focus more on traditional luxury or entertainment. The third thing to consider is Ensana's locations. The brand is primarily based in Central Europe, with hotels in countries like the Czech Republic, Hungary, Slovakia, and Austria. These locations are often in scenic, health-centric areas like the Carpathian Mountains or near famous thermal spring towns. If you're looking for a European wellness retreat, Ensana might just be what you need. But it's worth noting that compared to more global hotel chains, their reach is more limited, so it might not be as convenient for those seeking diverse destinations worldwide. The fourth thing is Ensana's commitment to sustainable tourism. While many competitors are beginning to adopt green practices, Ensana has long been a leader in integrating sustainability into their business model. Their hotels aim to reduce energy consumption, use eco-friendly materials, and support local communities. For eco-conscious travelers, this is a significant factor to consider. Unlike larger hotel brands that have yet to take real action in this area, Ensana's efforts to minimize their carbon footprint stand out. Next, let's talk about Ensana's pricing. While not the cheapest option, Ensana offers a level of value that's hard to beat when you consider the extensive wellness services and luxury facilities included in the price. On average, their prices may be slightly higher than traditional hotels, but if you're comparing the value of wellness programs and specialized treatments, the cost per night is competitive. When comparing Ensana to more mainstream chains, the specialized treatments and services can justify the extra cost, but it's essential to ensure you're getting the best deal by booking directly or using promotions, which I'll share more about later. The sixth thing to keep in mind is Ensana's target audience. While their wellness services appeal to a broad range of travelers, Ensana hotels are particularly suited for those looking for long-term health retreats or rehabilitation programs. If you're in need of medical wellness treatments or a recovery-focused stay, Ensana is a fantastic option. However, if you're just looking for a simple getaway or family vacation, there are other brands that might offer a broader range of recreational services. Finally, it's worth mentioning Ensana's reputation and customer service. Ensana has a solid reputation for delivering exceptional service, with many repeat customers praising their personal touches and attention to detail. Reviews generally highlight their professional spa staff, the quality of treatments, and the tranquil, healing environment they provide. But like any business, some customers have noted issues with booking or service during peak seasons, so it's important to plan and book early to avoid any surprises. If you want to try out Ensana Hotels and see if it's the right fit for your wellness needs, I've got you covered. Click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits. You won't find a better offer anywhere else. Don't miss out. Ensuring a perfect wellness retreat experience starts with Ensana Hotels.